Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily change the volume of video in CapCut. So here I've already imported a video. Okay, so I want to adjust the volume. So what you need to do is just click on the video and find the volume options. And here, if you want to make it louder, you can just swipe to the right. But if you want to make it make the volume loud I mean lower, you can just swipe it to the left like this. So you can make it loud up to 1,000%, and you can also make it 0 or mute the audio. Okay, so that's a pretty simple tutorial, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.